In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Make sure to watch this video till the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on your profile and click on the three lines at the top right corner. You're then going to click on Settings and scroll down to Account. Now, if you go down to the bottom, you will see Delete Account. There will be two options. One will be to deactivate your account and one will be to delete your account. Make sure that if you want this to be temporary, you click on Deactivate Account. It'll bring you to this box that says, why are you deactivating your account? And also to enter your password. Once you're done, you'll click this blue button that says Temporarily Deactivate Account, and if you want to reactivate it at any point in time, all you have to do is log in with your credentials and it will prompt you to reactivate your account. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.